Our first repair, you're going to go to your toilet, take off the back of the lid. Take some Kool-Aid and dump it in the tank in the back. We're checking for leaks that goes into the toilet bowl. If you see any discoloration, especially lines running down the bowl, you know that it's leaking and it's time to repair it and get a new flapper. Next, we're going to go to the grout on the floor. Oh, it gets so dirty. All you have to do is take some toilet bowl cleaner, especially the gel formula. Go ahead and place it on the grout and let it sit there for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and grab you one of those old toothbrushes and you're going to give it a good scrubbing. Not too hard, but just enough, and you're going to start seeing the color change. Grab a sponge, wipe it all up, and look at the difference. It restored that grout to its original color. How about when somebody goes in and out of the front door and rattles your door, or especially when the air conditioner comes on? The way to stop the rattling is to grab a cabinet door bumper or felt that goes under a chair door like we have here. Cut it to size, place it on the door jamb, and look at that. The door will no longer rattle. How about when you're moving furniture and you got that dent in the carpet that you just can't get rid of no matter how many times you vacuum over it? Take some ice, place it on the dent, let it sit there for a good 15 to 20 minutes. After that time, remove the ice and take a fork and rub it out. Blend in those fibers and you're going to restore that carpet back to its original look. How about a shower head that doesn't work correctly or has rust stains on it? What you have is mineral deposits inside the shower head. You don't have to remove it, just take a baggie, pour some vinegar in there. Take that bag, place it over your shower head, secure it with a clip or a rubber band, and you're gonna let it sit overnight. As you can see on the next day, a lot of that mineral deposits came through and is sitting in the bag. Remove the bag gently and carefully. Go ahead and take a sponge, wipe it all off. It gets rid of the rust stains, and look at that. That shower head works perfectly. How about trying to hang one of those pesky pictures or clocks on the wall that have a string? Catching those on the nail can be a pain. Just grab you a fork, put it on the nail, make sure it's secure, put the string or the wire around the fork, lower it into position, and it will catch the nail every time. The locks on our door can wear out over time. It's just the mechanism inside. Don't use a liquid spray or any kind of lubricant that way. Grab a pencil. Graphite is a natural lubricant and doesn't dry out. Just rub it all over the teeth. Put it in a couple of times. It'll lubricate, and look at that. Smooth action every time.
Got a slick spot in your driveway or sidewalk? With 2 cups of water, 1 cup rubbing alcohol, and 1/4 cup dish soap. You can adjust this to the size you need. Mix together and pour over your icy spot. This mixture will melt away those icy patches. Grass, mud, and dirt stains. Place some Dawn dish soap on those tough stains. Spread around to coat the whole stain and let it sit for 10 minutes or more. Lightly scrub the stain to get the Dawn into the fabric. Launder and your stains will be gone. Disinfect pillows, beds, and make a great air freshener. Place rubbing alcohol in a squirt bottle and add several drops of an essential oil of your choice. This makes a fantastic air freshener, and you can use it on your beds and pillows to disinfect them. Find lost items. Place a nylon or tight over the end of the hose and add a rubber band to secure it. Place your vacuum hose in the area creased or hard to reach space where you lost your item. The vacuum sucks it up and the nylon or tight holds it into place so you can grab it. Yellowing armpit stains. Make a paste of hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Place onto the stain and let sit for 10 minutes or more. Lightly scrub at the stain. A toothbrush or spoon work great. Shake off the paste and launder. Clean your stainless pots and pans. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff the stainless. Rinse off the toothpaste and watch it shine.
Remove pet hair. Spray hairspray onto a rubber glove. Wipe the fabric with the pet hair with your glove. The hair will stick to the hairspray on the glove. Rinse off your glove and repeat the process until the hair is gone.
Clean and disinfect phones and tablets. Put a little rubbing alcohol onto a microfiber cloth and rub onto the glass of your phone or tablet to clean and disinfect it. Deodorize and disinfect shoes. Place rubbing alcohol into a spray bottle. Spray it inside shoes to fight off odors and disinfect them. Clean your silver. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff tarnish off the silver. Rinse the toothpaste off and the tarnish will be gone.
Clean your vacuum roller. Rollers get hair, strings, and other things caught around them. When you're done cleaning, cut the strings with the scissors. Next, pull them right off your roller. Your vacuum is clean and ready to go.
Reusable and flexible ice pack. Pour some rubbing alcohol into a baggie that seals and place in your freezer. Alcohol freezes at a much colder temperature than water, and this allows your ice pack to get cold but remain flexible. When ready to use, pull it out, put the baggie on a cloth to protect the skin, and place on the injury. When you're finished, put it back in the freezer to be used again.
Dry nail polish faster. After painting your nails, spray with a little hairspray and the nail polish will dry faster.
Remove marker from wood. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff the marker off the wood. Wipe the toothpaste off with a damp cloth. Remove odor from plastic. Rinse your plastic out. Rub the inside of the plastic with toothpaste. Rinse out the toothpaste and wash. The odor will be gone.
If you get deodorant onto your clothes, grab a clean, dry cloth and rub the clothes in the direction of the fabric until the stain is gone.
Remove crayon. Place some regular toothpaste on a microfiber cloth and buff the crayon away from doors, tables, and walls. Wipe off the toothpaste with a damp cloth.
Remove ink stains. Squirt rubbing alcohol onto the stain and let it sit for 10 minutes or more. Blot at the stain with a damp cloth and see if the ink is gone. If not, repeat until the ink is removed. Once all the ink is gone, launder.
I hope this inspires you to try some hacks of your own.